The 2025 BMW M7 represents the ultimate fusion of luxury and performance, blending the executive comfort of the 7 Series with the raw, thrilling dynamics of BMW's M division. As the newest flagship sedan from the Bavarian automaker, the M7 isn't just about prestige, it's about power, precision, and presence. The design, engineering, and technology in this model all point toward one goal: redefining what a high-performance luxury sedan should be. On the outside, the 2025 BMW M7 exudes authority and sophistication. The iconic kidney grille, now slightly larger and more angular, is flanked by slim LED headlights with laser technology. The specific bumper design adds a more aggressive flair, complete with aerodynamic intakes and carbon fiber elements. Sculpted lines run the length of the body, highlighting its long wheelbase and muscular proportions. At the rear, quad exhaust tips and a subtle diffuser signal its performance credentials, while the integrated rear spoiler adds a sporty yet elegant touch. The 21-inch forged alloy wheels, wrapped in performance tires, complete the look of a car that's both a luxury limousine and a speed demon. Under the hood, the 2025 M7 is powered by a heavily revised 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering a staggering 690 horsepower and 720 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a refined 48 volts mild hybrid system, enhancing both performance and efficiency. An 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission ensures lightning-quick gear changes, while the xDrive all-wheel drive system delivers confident traction in all driving conditions. The M7 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, a remarkable feat for a vehicle of its size and luxury category. But the M7 isn't just about straight-line speed. The engineers have equipped it with adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and rear wheel steering to ensure precise handling and a composed ride. Drivers can customize their experience through various drive modes, from Comfort to Sport Plus, altering suspension stiffness, throttle response, and steering feel. Whether cruising down the Autobahn or attacking twisty mountain roads, the M7 offers a balance of performance and refinement few can match. Inside, the cabin is a masterclass in modern luxury. Key-grade merino leather covers nearly every surface, accompanied by carbon fiber trim and ambient lighting that subtly highlights the contours of the interior. The front seats are multi-contour, heated, ventilated, and come with massage functionality. Rear passengers are treated to executive lounge seating, complete with leg rest, touchscreen controls, and individual entertainment screens. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, while advanced noise insulation ensures a serene atmosphere. Even at high speeds, technology plays a central role in the 2025 M7. A curved dual display setup combines a 14.9-inch infotainment screen with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, both running the latest iDrive 9 system. Voice commands, gesture control, and haptic feedback make interacting with the vehicle intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. The Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system provides concert-quality audio, with 36 speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin. Safety and driver assistance are equally impressive. The M7 features BMW's latest suite of semi-autonomous driving features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated parking, and a new highway assistance system that allows for hands-free driving on certain roads. Night vision, a 360-degree camera system, and cross-traffic alert enhance visibility and awareness. Ultimately, the 2025 BMW M7 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It proves that luxury and performance can coexist at the highest level. Whether chauffeuring executives or thrilling enthusiasts behind the wheel, the M7 is built to impress and engineered to lead.